Good medical morning. This is Watson, your resident blackhead expert. This video shows blackhead extractions in the actual ear itself. Blackheads are more common on the nose and cheeks in patients who suffer from acne or pimples. Blackheads are thought to be due to oxidized sebum and keratin found in acne comedones. If the blemish has no opening on the skin surface, it's called a whitehead. Blackheads are commonly found on the nose, cheeks, chin, and forehead. In extensive blackhead acne, they may also occur on the chest, back, arms, and even legs, and in unusual places, such as the ears. Blackheads clog up the oil gland, and acne comedones may lead to infection, forming acne cysts, which contain pus. This is called papular pustular cystic acne. If left untreated, it may lead to acne scars. Blackheads can be popped, squeezed, or extracted. Dr. Sanja Lee, aka Dr. Pimple Popper, has done many videos on acne, cysts, and blackhead extractions. And she has good technique. We have a few videos of blackhead extractions using comedone extractors that can be cheaply purchased online. I'll put a link below to my favorite. By prepping the skin, blackheads can be removed with minimal discomfort and no scarring. Stubborn blackheads that are deep can be softened with a warm towel or even a prep of AHA several days before extractions are performed. Blackheads can also be removed with peels and creams, as well as techniques such as microdermabrasion, skin needling, and microneedling. Treating blackheads is important, and yes, that's why you're watching this video, but for the patient's sake, preventing blackheads, open pores, and whiteheads is equally important. I'd recommend using a mixture of AHA or glycolic acid, as well as BHA peels and vitamin A creams. For more on dermatology procedures, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. Hey folks, this is Watson. Have you been curious about carbon facial masks? Well, I want to show you one of my favorite beauty masks. Carbon facial masks help restore collagen, which naturally fills in wrinkles and rejuvenates skin. They also help unclog pores and prevent new blemishes from occurring. This mask gives you multiple uses for well under 20 bucks. It has high quality ingredients and will leave you with beautiful skin and a healthy glow. Just follow the Amazon link below.